Start. Hi, good afternoon. So I'm here at Darpan Mangatrai Pearl store in jewelry store in Punjagutta, Hyderabad. I came from USA. I was here last year. Big fan of Surya Kant, who when I came here, I know nothing about pearls, but Surya Kant gave me big education. Now it's almost like taking a college course, and I know a lot more about pearls now than I did before. We purchased a lot, gifts for friends, relatives, jewelry for my wife. We are very happy with the variety, with the service Suryakant offers. He's like my brother, and the wide choice you have at the store. I recommend everyone to give this a try. If you want pearls, this is the place. Darpan Mangatrai.